Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the InvestEngine portfolio value not updating. First, keep in mind that the portfolio values are usually updated based on market data, so changes may not appear instantly, especially outside trading hours. Next, for swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours, and then reopen it. This forces the app to reload the latest portfolio data. You can also try logging out of your account and logging back in, which refreshes your session and updates your account information. Then make sure your internet is stable because the portfolio value depends on live market data being loaded correctly. Then another important step is to check the market is currently open during weekends or after trading hours. Portfolio values may not update frequently. Also, head over to your app store, search for the app, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If your portfolio value still does not update correctly, it may be due to temporary server delays, so wait a few minutes and check again. That's how you fix portfolio value not updating in the InvestEngine app. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.